Imagine waking up 12,000 years ago in Ice Age America. There is no refrigerator, no supermarket, no farm waiting to produce your next meal. Outside your shelter, the landscape stretches for miles, and somewhere out there is the food your family needs to survive. But there is a problem. You don't know what tomorrow will bring. An animal may move away. A river may stop providing fish. The plants you depended on in summer may disappear when winter arrives. So what did the first Americans actually eat? And how did they survive when food became scarce? The answer depended on one thing: where they lived. North America was not one giant food source. It was a patchwork of forests, grasslands, rivers, lakes, wetlands, deserts, and coastlines. Each environment offered different possibilities. Near rivers and lakes, fish and waterfowl could provide valuable protein and fat. Along coastal areas, shellfish could become an important resource. In forests and grasslands, people gathered nuts, seeds, berries, roots, and other wild plants when they were available. Archaeological evidence suggests there was no single first American diet. People adapted, and large animals could make an enormous difference. Where available, hunting could provide meat, fat, and other useful resources. Smaller animals, birds, and other wildlife could supplement the diet. But getting food was only half the problem. What happened when the landscape stopped cooperating? Winter changed everything. Plants became harder to find. Some animals moved away. Weather made travel more difficult. A successful food source could disappear for weeks or months. This was when survival depended on preparation. Fire became one of the most important tools they had. Cooking did more than make food warm. It could soften tough foods and make some resources easier to digest and use. A difficult raw ingredient could become a valuable source of calories after being processed with heat. But even cooked food could not simply be kept forever, so preservation mattered. Depending on the environment and available technology, food could be dried, smoked, or stored for later use. Seasonal abundance could be turned into supplies for harder periods. That could mean the difference between having something to eat and having nothing. So what might one meal have looked like? We cannot know the exact dinner of a person living 12,000 years ago, but archaeological evidence allows researchers to make plausible reconstructions. Imagine a small camp beside a river. A fire burns near a simple shelter. Fish or meat is being cooked. Gathered plants, nuts, or seeds are being prepared nearby. Some food has already been dried or stored. Nothing is wasted. Every useful resource matters. The first Americans did not survive because they had one magical food source. They survived by understanding their environment, changing their diet with the seasons, using fire, preserving resources, and passing knowledge from one generation to the next. Their food was different from place to place. But the goal was always the same: find enough calories today and make sure there is something left for tomorrow. And that brings us to the next mystery. But finding food was only half the battle. How did they survive the brutal winters of Ice Age America?